Unlocking vocabulary. The charm of tree-lined, explained. Hello, wonderful learners. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll dive into a beautiful and picturesque phrase that you might encounter in books, travel blogs, or even in a real estate advertisement. Tree-lined. We'll discover what it means, how you can use it, and why it adds such a special touch to descriptions. So, if you're ready to expand your vocabulary and picture the scenes that this term paints, let's get started. Tree-lined is an adjective that describes a path, street, or area flanked by a row of trees on one or both sides. It creates a visual image of a naturally decorated route where trees stand as sentinels guarding the way, offering shade and scenic beauty. A tree-lined avenue doesn't just tell us about the presence of trees. It evokes a sense of order, natural elegance, and often historical or residential prestige. When can you use tree-lined? This term is perfect when you want to describe a setting in a narrative, give detailed directions, or set a scene that requires a touch of serenity and charm. It's also common in real estate and travel literature, where the presence of trees adds value and appeal to a location. Let's put tree-lined into action with some examples. She walked down the tree-lined boulevard, enjoying the autumn colors. The most expensive homes are often found on tree-lined streets. I love visiting small towns with tree-lined main streets. They have such character. By using tree-lined in sentences like these, you not only convey information but also create an atmosphere and context for your listeners or readers. Creating a setting is about more than just describing what you see. It's about conveying the feel of a place. A tree-lined street may suggest a peaceful, idyllic setting or imply a well-maintained, affluent neighborhood. It's an example of how a single phrase can paint a complex picture and evoke emotions and associations. There are many ways to expand on the idea of a tree-lined path. You might hear terms like canopied by trees, which suggests a cover of tree branches overhead, or flanked by trees, which emphasizes the trees on the side. Each variation has its nuance, but all serve to enrich our language and descriptions. I hope this video has helped illuminate the phrase tree-lined for you. Isn't it amazing how two simple words can conjure up such vivid imagery and emotion? Next time you're describing a scene or setting, think about the details that can add depth to your narrative. Remember, language is not just about communication, it's about creation. Thank you for watching, and keep practicing your new vocabulary in the world around you. Until our next lesson, keep learning and keep imagining.